Okay friends, today we are going to learn about possessive pronoun. Okay, in my previous lecture I have already explained about possessive pronoun, but I thought there is a need to make a separate video on possessive pronoun because it is very important and students generally make mistakes in using of possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So in today's lecture I will clarify how can we use possessive adjective and possessive pronoun in a sentence. Okay, so what are the possessive pronoun? First I want to write here I. For I, the possessive pronoun is mine. For he, the possessive pronoun is his. For she, the possessive pronoun is hers. And for they, the possessive pronoun is theirs. And for you, the possessive pronoun is yours. Okay, so we have learned here. For I, the possessive pronoun is mine. It means mera. For he, the possessive pronoun is his. We are talking about a masculine gender. The mean of his, uska. She is a feminine gender. Its possessive pronoun is hers. इसका मतलब भी वही होता है. We are talking about any girl or lady. उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. They, the possessive pronoun of they is theirs. है ना, जब बहुत सारे नंबर हों, we are talking about plural, then we will use they and its possessive pronoun is theirs. उनके. Okay. For the possessive pronoun, you will be yours. Okay. Yours means तुम्हारे या तुम्हारा. And if we write it, generally it is used for neuter gender. In such situation, there will be no possessive pronoun. Okay, so it has no possessive pronoun. It has only possessive adjective. This is called its. Okay, so today we will learn how can we use possessive pronoun in a sentence. So I have told you what are the possessive pronouns. Okay, and I have already told its meaning in a Hindi language. Now, the first rule of using possessive pronoun is we cannot use possessive pronoun before any noun because these are pronouns. So, pronouns already or they will use for the noun. Okay, so pronoun is not used as a adjective. Okay, now I am writing here a sentence. Our college was closed yesterday. Okay, what is the meaning of this sentence? Is this sentence, our college was closed yesterday. Okay, so in this sentence we are using ours. This is a pronoun. This is a wrong use of possessive pronoun. Why? Because college is a noun and no pronoun will be used before noun. Okay, a pronoun cannot qualify a noun. It is used at the place of noun. Okay, so the correct sentence should be our. Okay, what is the our? Our is a possessive adjective. It means that our college was closed yesterday. हमारा college कल बंद था. It was closed. Okay, so this is the correct use of possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is always used before noun. Okay, but possessive pronoun cannot be used before noun. Next is hers house is good. Can this sentence be correct? No. the similar problem is occurred here. We are using here hers, and hers is a possessive pronoun and house is a noun. So we cannot use possessive pronoun before noun as a house. Okay, so correct word will be her. Okay, her is a possessive adjective of she. Her house is good. Okay, उसका जो घर है वो अच्छा है. So this is the correct sentence. Okay, so this was the first rule I have explained here. We cannot use possessive pronoun before the noun, but we can use possessive adjective before noun. Yes, so this was the rule we have learned here. But how can we use possessive pronoun? Okay, I am writing here, ours is a great country. Okay, we are talking about our country. Ours is a great country. हमारी जो country है वो बहुत ही great है. Okay, so we will use possessive pronoun here. Why? Because possessive pronoun is used here at the place of noun, not it is used before the noun. Okay, next sentence, hers is a big house. Okay, so this sentence shows that we are talking about a lady and her house is a very big house. Okay, hers is a big house. Hers is a possessive pronoun of she. Okay, yes, so this was the correct use of possessive pronoun in a sentence. Now I want to show here, I want to make a table here that will give a clear idea to us how can we relate possessive pronoun with possessive adjective. Okay, so I am writing here first possessive pronoun mine. What will be the relation of mine with possessive adjective? Okay, so mine will be equal to my plus noun. Okay, it means that if we want to replace this possessive pronoun mine with possessive adjective, we have to write my plus noun. Okay, next is his. His is a possessive pronoun, so the correct use of this is also his plus noun. So guys, you have to remember his is used as a possessive pronoun as well as used as a possessive adjective. Okay, both spellings are similar. Okay, his as a possessive pronoun and his plus noun as a possessive adjective, both are similar. But we are talking about hers, it means that her plus noun. Okay, next is theirs. They, your plus noun. Okay, and the next is mine, his, hers, theirs. Next is yours. It will be written as your plus noun. Okay, and we have already talked about we cannot write the possessive pronoun of it. It is also used as a possessive adjective like its, but we cannot write possessive pronoun of it. So we have learned here, these are possessive pronouns, these are possessive adjectives. Okay, I am writing here possessive pronoun and these are possessive adjective plus noun. Okay, so this is the correct way of using these words in a sentence. If we are using these words in a sentence, then we have to follow this pattern. Okay, yes, so we will again learn some sentences in which we will use these words, possessive pronoun or possessive adjectives. Okay, I am writing one example here. this is your house. Okay, this is your house. Okay, you can see that your is possessive adjective plus house is a noun. Okay, so here we used possessive adjective plus noun in a sentence, means this is your house. We cannot use this is your house. Okay, this is the wrong way. We cannot write here possessive pronoun yours. Okay, next is this house is yours. What is this? Possessive pronoun. Okay, so if we want to use possessive pronoun in a sentence, we have to use pronoun alone. We cannot write noun after this pronoun. Okay, so this is the correct way. It means that this house is yours. Okay, here is possessive pronoun and here is possessive adjective plus noun. So we can correlate, we can relate possessive adjective with possessive pronoun. We can interchange, but we have to learn the rule. How can we change? If we are changing possessive adjective, then we have to use noun plus possessive adjective, because this is the quality, this is the condition of using adjective, because adjective is always qualify the noun. Okay, so we will use possessive adjective plus noun, and pronouns should be used alone. There will be no noun after the pronoun in a sentence. Okay, next one, we will learn some rules here. How can we use possessive pronoun in a sentence? Possessive pronoun is also used as a subject of sentence. Okay, like I have already explained you in some previous sentences, but I want to also write some examples so that you people may learn very well. Okay, yes, so first, yours is a new car. Okay, here we are using yours as a subject of this subject of this sentence. Okay, subject of the verb that is used in a sentence. So first rule is we can use possessive pronoun as a subject of any verb that is used in a sentence. Okay, so this was the first example. Next is hers is a beautiful ring. Okay, a lady has ring and it is a very beautiful. Okay, so here we are talking about a lady and the subject is hers, that is used as a subject of verb that is used in a sentence. Okay, so first rule is we can use any pronoun as a subject of a sentence. Next one is we can also use possessive pronoun as a object of a sentence. Okay, so we can also learn this rule by using a sentence. Okay, I am writing here, he has lost my notebooks. He has lost my notebooks as well as yours. Okay, so we can see in this sentence we are using yours in the last of sentence, and this is an object of the verb that is used in a sentence. Okay, he has lost my notebooks as well as yours. Okay guys, so you can see that here my is a possessive adjective of I and notebook is a noun. Okay, so this is the use of possessive adjective with noun, and here we are using yours alone as a possessive pronoun. Okay, and this is the object of the sentence. This is the object of verb that is used in a sentence. Okay, so guys, it was the sentence. We have learned the possessive pronoun is used as a object in a sentence, and I am also writing an example here. Please save his life. Please save his life and hers. This is also used here, hers as a possessive pronoun, and here his is used as a possessive adjective plus noun. Life is a noun here. Okay, so guys, it is very clear for you how can we use possessive pronoun as a object of a sentence. Next, in this sentence, okay, this is also used as a object of preposition. Okay, we know about the prepositions. Prepositions are some words, they connect other words in a sentence. Okay, like to, like from, okay, like with. So we will learn here how can we use possessive pronoun as a object of preposition. Okay, now I am writing one example here. Your problem is different. Your problem is different from mine. Okay, it means that there is possessive adjective used with noun as a problem. Okay, this is noun, this is possessive adjective, and this is possessive pronoun. So guys, this is very much clear for you. This mine is used after from. Okay, this is preposition. Okay, so this is preposition, and using this preposition object as a mine, it means that mine is used as an object of this preposition from. Okay, so it should be clear. Okay, I hope so you have learnt it very well. Okay, next example I want to write here. I prefer your company. I prefer your company to hers. Okay, so guys, this is a sentence in which we have used possessive adjective your plus noun company and hers as a possessive pronoun, and it is used after to, then it will be behaved as a possessive pronoun. One thing I want to emphasize here, we have used here prefer. What is the prefer? Prefer is a Latin adjective, and if we are using prefer, then we have to use to. We cannot use than. Okay, like we use suppose I am giving an example here. He is better than hers, suppose. Okay, means that we are using better as an adjective, then we will use than. But if we are using Latin adjective like prefer, superior, senior, inferior, in such situation we always use to, we never use than. Okay, in comparing things. Okay guys, so this is extra information I have provided you. When I will make a separate video on adjective, then I will explain all the rules of adjective, then I will teach you what are the concepts of Latin adjective and how can they used in a sentence. So in this particular sentence I am only emphasizing on the use of possessive pronoun. I prefer your company to hers. So this her is a possessive pronoun and it is used as a object of this proposition. Okay. So guys, I hope so this is clear for you. Okay. Now come to the next rule here, and we are talking about infinitive case. What is the mean of infinitive? What is the case of infinitive? Infinitive is what? 2 plus verb first form. Okay, you people should know that any word written in the form of 2 plus verb first form, this is called infinitive case, okay, of verb. So we can also use as a subject of infinitive case as a possessive pronoun. Okay, so I am writing here an example. Mr. Sharma allowed his children to go to the museum, but Mrs. Sharma did not allow hers to go. Okay, so guys, this is a sentence in which you will learn how can we are using possessive pronoun as a subject of infinitive verb. Okay, Mr. Sharma allowed his children. Okay, here we are using his as a possessive adjective. This is noun. Okay, possessive adjective plus noun. To go to the museum, but Mrs. Sharma did not allow hers to go. This hers is a possessive pronoun and this is 2 plus verb first form, means infinitive case. Okay, so guys, this is a crystal clear situation for you. You people have learned that how can we use possessive pronoun in a sentence. Okay, इस पूरे का मतलब है कि मिस्टर शर्मा अपने बच्चों को म्यूजियम जाने के लिए परमिशन देते हैं, बट मिसेस शर्मा ने उन्हें परमिशन नहीं दी, अपने बच्चों को नहीं दी. ओके, सो गाइस, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू in today's lecture how can we use possessive adjective and possessive pronoun in a sentence in a effective manner. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed my today's class. So please share this video with your dear ones so that they may also get benefited from the rule of possessive pronouns. Thank you so much.